Hello everyone. Welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Deepthi, an English tutor. In this video, you're gonna learn 20 different sounds produced by humans. First is burp. Burp means to expel gas noisily from the stomach through the mouth. It is also known as belch. Second is cough. Cough means to push air from the lungs in a quick, noisy explosion. Third is hum. Hum means to make sound from the vocal cords without pronouncing any real words with one's lips closed. Fourth is hiccup. Hiccup means the involuntary sound resulting from a spasm of the diaphragm. Fifth is groan. Groan is a low, mournful sound uttered in pain or grief or uttered in frustration or disapproval. Sixth is giggle. Giggle means to laugh gently or in a silly or giddy way. Seventh is laugh. Laugh means to smile while making sounds and movements of the face and body that express happiness or amusement or that sometimes express ridicule or anxiety. Eighth is pant. Pant means a quick and loud breathing through your mouth, usually because you have been doing something very energetic like running. Ninth is puff. Puff means a sharp exhalation of a small amount of breath through the mouth. 10th is scream. Scream is a loud, high sound that you make when you are very frightened, excited or angry. 11th is sniff. Sniff means to make a short, audible inhalation through the nose as if to smell something. 12th is sneeze. Sneeze means to expel air as a reflex induced by an irritation in the nose, usually during cold. 13th is snore. Snore is to breathe during sleep with harsh, snorting noises caused by vibration of the soft palate. 14th is sigh. Sigh is a deep and prolonged audible respiration of air as when fatigued, frustrated, grieved or relieved. 15th is slurp. Slurp is a loud sucking noise made in eating or drinking. 16th is sob. Sob means to cry noisily, taking in deep breath. 17th is whisper. Whisper is the act of speaking in a quiet voice, especially without vibration of the vocal cords. 18th is yawn. Yawn means to open the mouth widely and take a long rather than deep breath, often because one is tired and sometimes accompanied by pandiculation, which means the stretching and stiffening of the body. 19th is cry. Cry means to produce tears as the result of a strong emotion such as unhappiness or pain. 20th is fart. Fart means to release gas from the pores through the bottom. Hope this video was informative. See you soon in a new video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and ShareChat. Thank you.